So good afternoon to all of you. Now this is your EVS class. Chapter Poonam's Day Out. Okay. So in the last class we have already started our chapter Poonam's Day Out, and in yesterday classes we have already completed up to page number 5. Okay. So next page number 6. Page number 6, this page. Magic with fingers. Page number 6, magic with fingers. Take a look at the picture. Okay, so there are different types of pictures: peacock, parrot, dog, butterfly. Okay, so there have different types of picture. Take a look at the picture. Can you distinguish the thumbprints from the other fingerprints? Yes, of course, because most of the big prints, that is thumbprints, and the others, that is the other fingerprints. Okay, and in the same way, using ink or watercolors, make pictures of animals. Make picture using your own imagination and do not copy the ones shown above. Okay, you can do this in your home. Some different types of animals or insect or plants using thumbprints and other fingerprints. Okay, you can use the picture you have made to decorate your school or your home. Okay. Next page, page number 7. This page number 7. Let us hum. If your notebook draw a picture of animal, you can do any paper. Okay, any art paper or any white paper, you can do this. Next, draw your picture of an animal or drawing copy also, you can do this. So next, make your groups this book. Textbook, page number 7. Okay. Next, make groups of 3 children each, and each group will take white paper, and each group, one child will draw the face and neck of an animal at the top of the paper and hide it by folding this part. Number 2, the second child will draw the body of another animal in the center of the paper and hide it by folding the paper. Next, number 3, the third child will draw the feet of yet another animal. And number 4, now unfold the paper and look at the picture. Does it not look like a funny animal? Okay, this type. This is the head of elephant, and this portion is, the body portion is dark, and the leg is different animals like dog. Okay. Yes, leg. Next, page number 8. Next page, page number 8. Okay. Spend some time under a tree. Observe the animals carefully and name the animals which can be seen on the branches on the leaves, on the trunk and around the tree. Okay, so spend some time under a tree, observe the animals carefully and name the animals which can be seen. You can write down in your book or copy. Okay, so number 1, on the branches. On the branches, sparrow, crow, monkey. SPARROW. Crow, monkey. Okay, sparrow, crow, monkey. Number 2. Number 2, that is on the leaves. On the leaves, that is squirrel, ants and termite. Sorry, on the leaves, that is beetle, caterpillar and grasshopper. Okay, beetle, 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 caterpillar, 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 and last one, that is grasshopper, GRASS, grass, HOPPER. Okay, grasshopper. Next, that is on the trunk. On the trunk, which animals? On the trunk, that is squirrel, 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 ants, 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 and termites. Okay, termites. And next, on the ground. On the ground, that is rat, hare and rabbit. And rabbit. Okay, and next, that is around the tree. Around the tree. Around the tree, that is cow, buffaloes and goats. BUFFALO and goats. Okay, now arrange these animals in the order of their size, smallest being the first. Okay, now arrange these animals in the order of their size. Okay, so number 1, that is termites, TERMI. All of you write down fast. TERMI, TES, termites. Next, number 2, ants. Okay, next, beetle, BEETLE. Next, caterpillar, CATERPILLAR, caterpillar. caterpillar. Number 5. Number 5 is grasshopper. 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 Next, sparrow. Number 6, SPARROW. Number 7, crow. Number 8, rat. Okay, rat. Number 9. Number 9 is squirrel. 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 Next, hare. HARE. Next, rabbit. 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 Next, 12, that is monkey. MONKEY. Write down fast. Monkey. Next, number 13, that is goat. Goat. Okay. Next, cow. Page number 8. Page number 8. Number 14, that is cow. And number 15, that is buffalo. BUFFALO. Okay. This page. So this page number 8 we have already completed. Okay. Now next, write down quickly. Completed. Sudeshna first cut the call and then rejoin. Completed. Okay, write down quickly. So next, then I repeat again, on the branches, that is sparrow, crow, monkey. Number 2, on the leaves, that is beetle, caterpillar, grasshopper. And on the trunk, squirrel, ants, termites. On the ground, rat. Sorry, not rat. Rat, R-A-T. Rat, hare, rabbit. Around the tree, cow, buffalo, goats. Okay. So next is, now arrange this animal in the order of their size, smallest being the first. So first, termites, ants, beetle, caterpillar, grasshopper, sparrow, crow, rat, squirrel, hare, rabbit, monkey, goat, cow. Next, buffalo. Should this not half board better? Please, all of you see this board clearly? Next, that is puzzle. Okay. Jigsaw puzzle in a picture is cut in such a way that one has to really think hard to fit the picture together. Okay. Now make this puzzle. Page number 9. Next, page number 9. Purbayan, first cut the call and then rejoin. So So now make a jigasha puzzle using a picture of any animals. This page number 9. All of you open page number 9. Now make a puzzle using a picture of any animal. Paste the picture on a cardboard. Now cut the cardboard along the edges of the pictures and cut this cardboard into unequal pieces and give these pieces of your friends and ask them to put the pieces together and identify the animals. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, draw some animals picture or draw some parrot or peacock, okay, any birds picture, and then paste in a cardboard on a cardboard. Now cut the cardboard along the edges of the picture and cut this cardboard into unequal pieces and give this picture to your friend and ask them to put cut this cardboard into unequal pieces and give these pieces to your friend and ask them to put these pieces together and identify the animals. Okay, so today I have completed the topic Poonam's Day Out and completed this fill in the blanks. All of you completed? Or any question or any doubt from this chapter Poonam's Day Out? Any question or any doubt? Okay, so now today I have completed one chapter, that is Poonam's Day Out. Okay, and next classes we will start our workbook. Okay, Poonam's Day Out workbook. Okay. Oh, Sudeshna, can you say tell your problem? Any problem?